Welcome back, fellow coding facilitators. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the floating message sprite that is in the randomized synthesis project. So whenever you press spacebar on the project, it's going to make the word code blocks appear like this. But you can actually change this. So you could change the code if you'd like to make it different. Or you could go into the costumes and make it say a different message. So instead of saying code blocks, you could have it say blah, 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 blah. And now whenever the sprite appears, it's going to change it that way. So again, you can read through these comments and change the code here, or go into the costumes and simply double click on the word and just give a friendly reminder like, hey, use code blocks, or whatever it is that you want for your message to appear on your project. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.